Commercial na flood control daw. May pulong. So recently, binaha and people were looking for the budget of pulong. Now let's go ahead and check if totoo nga ba wala or nawagas. So this is along Ross Avenue. Nasa dulo yung yung canal.